All right, so today I'm going to be showing you some manual lymphatic drainage that you can utilize to help with any swelling you may be experiencing into your tummy or into your trunk. We're going to be working with 3 different areas. We're going to be starting in the neck. We'll then come down and work on your tummy. And then we're going to finish by working with a nodal connection that exists between your groin and your armpit. So I'm going to be starting right up here in the neck. This is where your lymphatic circulation is going to rejoin in with your venous circulation. So what I want you to do is feel for where your collarbone meets with the base of your neck. We're going to put our hand right at that junction, and what I want you to do is gently stretch down towards that junction and then relax. Stretch down towards and relax. We're going to do this about 5 to 7 times. Notice that I'm just my hand's just holding that skin. I'm using my arm to kind of utilize that stretch. Stretching down and relax. Stretch down and relax. And last time, stretch down and relax. Perfect. Now we're going to demonstrate some diaphragm breathing. The biggest mistakes most people make when they try and do a diaphragm breath is they take a big breath and they put it all into the top of their lungs. And that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to put that air right into your tummy. So I want you to go ahead and put your hands right on your stomach. Take a big deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Big deep breath in. Three more. Perfect. Now we're going to move towards clearing some fluid in your tummy, and we're going to utilize that nice kind of circular scoop technique. We're going to start here in the left lower part of your tummy. I want you to feel for the ridge of your hip and just kind of drop your hand in. And what we're going to try and do is scoop and relax. We're trying to scoop towards your belly button. Scoop, relax, scoop and relax, scoop and relax. Last time. Scoop and relax. We're then going to move over to the right lower side of your abdomen. Again, feel for that top part of your hip. Drop your hand right in there, and we're going to do that nice stretch and relax. Stretch and relax. 3 more times. Stretch and relax. And last time. Now, if you're experiencing any discomfort and you don't like using the 2-handed technique, you can certainly just use 1 hand. The key here is, again, to focus on that just gentle skin stretch and push, as well as the relaxation phase. We're now going to move into the upper part of your tummy. So feel just below your ribs, drop your hand in, and again, we're still trying to push or scoop and relax. Scoop and relax. 5 times. Perfect. Then you're going to come right over to the midline of your body. Again, right below the rib cage, pushing down and relax. 5 to 7 times. Go at your own pace, nice and steady, nice and slow. And we're going to move over to the left upper side of your abdomen, right below that rib line. Scoop and push. And then last time, we're going to finish where we started, right here in that left lower part. 5 nice steady scoops. Now we're going to utilize a little bit of a deeper technique, and we're going to bring in that diaphragm breathing that we started with. Now, I'm going to have you place your hands right over your tummy. You're going to give yourself some resistance as you inhale, as well as when you exhale, okay? So we're going to give just a gentle push down as you inhale, and as you exhale, push down. Move your hands over. Again, inhale, give yourself a little resistance. Exhale, resistance down. Move the hands over. Inhale and exhale. Move the hands over. Inhale and exhale. And back to midline. Inhale and exhale. Good job. All right, now we're going to take advantage of that nodal connection from your groin to your armpit. So I'm going to have you place your hand right in your armpit, and you're going to do 5 circles pulling towards that midline. So we're going to stretch and relax, stretch and relax. Good. Stretch and relax. 2 more times. Perfect. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bring our hands down, and we're going to try and use that good scooping and stretching technique all the way up your flank. So you're going to try and scoop and stretch, 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 all the way up to your armpit. And you're going to do that about 5 to 7 times. So we stretch, good. Really focus on using a good flat hand. I say cover a lot of real estate. Try and take as much of that stretch as you can. And I am performing these techniques over my clothing. It's actually best to perform them skin on skin if you're able to do so. And last time. Getting that good stretch and push up, and then relax. Beautiful. You would then move over and do this on the other side. Again, just kind of circling, getting those nodes kind of prepped or warmed up. And then we're going to scoop up. I'll only do this 1 time on this side for the purposes of this video, but you would perform 5 to 7 scoops. All right. And then we're going to finish where we started. We're going to come right back up into that neck. And again, you would be doing this on both sides, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just demoing on the one. And we're going to pull down and relax. And relax. 2 more. Well done. You've just completed your abdominal sequence. Please feel free to contact us with any questions you may have.